which country introduced the first commercial hydrogen train, the Alstom Coradia Island? Answer: Germany. The question is, in which year did the Alstom Coradia Island enter service? Answer: 2018. The question is, what is the primary byproduct emitted by hydrogen fuel cell trains? Answer: water vapor. The question is, what is the name given to India's first hydrogen train project mentioned above? Answer: Namo Green Rail. The question is, on which route was India's first hydrogen train planned to run as a pilot? Answer: Jind, Sonipat. The question is, which Indian factory is known for manufacturing coaches and was involved in hydrogen train development? Answer: Integral Coach Factory. The question is, which company partnered internationally for fuel cell stacks in India's hydrogen train project? Answer: Ballard Power Systems. The question is, what is the main function of a hydrogen fuel cell in a train? Answer: convert hydrogen to electricity. The question is, which hydrogen color is produced by electrolysis using renewable energy? Answer: green. The question is, grey hydrogen is primarily produced from which feedstock? Answer: natural gas. The question is, blue hydrogen differs from grey hydrogen by adding what technology? Answer: carbon capture and storage. The question is, turquoise hydrogen is produced by which process? Answer: methane pyrolysis. The question is, pink hydrogen is produced using which energy source for electrolysis? Answer: nuclear. The question is, which hydrogen type is considered the cleanest in life cycle emissions? Answer: green. The question is, which Indian company announced large-scale green hydrogen plants at Jamnagar? Answer: Reliance Industries. The question is, NTPC launched hydrogen buses in which region of India? Answer: Leh, Ladakh. The question is, which public sector company commissioned a green hydrogen plant at Gandhar, Gujarat? Answer: GAIL. The question is, what is a major challenge for hydrogen trains compared to electric trains? Answer: lack of refueling infrastructure. The question is, which infrastructure is essential at a hydrogen train depot? Answer: hydrogen refueling station. The question is, what energy storage is commonly paired with fuel cells on trains for peak demand? Answer: batteries. The question is, which Indian mission targets large-scale green hydrogen production by 2030? Answer: National Green Hydrogen Mission. The question is, what is the typical chemical reaction in a PEM fuel cell producing electricity? Answer: hydrogen plus oxygen, water plus electricity. The question is, which company is a major global supplier of fuel cell stacks referenced in India projects? Answer: Ballard Power Systems. The question is, which of these is not a hydrogen production method? Answer: photovoltaic distillation. The question is, what is the main advantage of hydrogen trains on heritage or hill routes? Answer: no need for overhead electrification. The question is, which pollutant is essentially eliminated by switching diesel trains to hydrogen fuel cells? Answer: CO2 and particulates. The question is, which Indian company is developing hydrogen hubs and refueling infrastructure? Answer: Indian Oil Corporation. The question is, what is a common storage form for hydrogen on trains? Answer: liquid hydrogen at cryogenic temperatures. The question is, which safety system is critical for hydrogen refueling stations? Answer: hydrogen leak detection. The question is, which country besides Germany was an early adopter of hydrogen rail technology? Answer: Japan. The question is, what is the expected main emission from a hydrogen fuel cell train? Answer: water vapor and heat. The question is, which renewable sources are typically used to power electrolysis for green hydrogen? Answer: solar and wind. The question is, what does SMR stand for in hydrogen production? Answer: steam methane reforming. The question is, which hydrogen color is associated with coal gasification? Answer: brown black. The question is, which Indian state hosted the Jind-Sonipat pilot route? Answer: Haryana. The question is, what is one reason hydrogen trains are considered for non-electrified routes? Answer: they can operate without electrification. The question is, which company in India aims for multi-million ton hydrogen capacity by 2032? Answer: Reliance Industries. The question is, what is a major cost component for hydrogen train deployment? Answer: electrolyzers and refueling infrastructure. The question is, which industrial sector is a key target for hydrogen decarbonization in India? Answer: steel and fertilizer. The question is, which gas is used as the oxidant in a hydrogen fuel cell? Answer: oxygen from air. The question is, what is the role of onboard batteries in hydrogen trains? Answer: store excess electricity for acceleration. The question is, which company is known for building electrolyzer manufacturing in India? Answer: Acme Group. The question is, what is the main environmental benefit of green hydrogen over grey hydrogen? Answer: zero direct CO2 emissions. The question is, which term describes hydrogen produced with carbon capture applied? Answer: blue. The question is, which country developed hydrogen trains for urban transit in 2020? Answer: China. The question is, what is a common unit for measuring hydrogen production capacity? Answer: tons per annum. The question is, which Indian company partnered with Renew Power for hydrogen hubs? Answer: Indian Oil Corporation. The question is, which hydrogen type produces solid carbon as a byproduct? Answer: turquoise. The question is, what is a likely near-term target cost for green hydrogen per kg by 2030 in policy goals? Answer: $1.5 to kg. The question is, which of these is a challenge specific to hydrogen transport and logistics? Answer: hydrogen embrittlement and leakage risks. The question is, which Indian company announced a 1 million ton per annum hydrogen platform at Mundra? Answer: Adani Green Energy. The question is, what does PEM stand for in PEM fuel cells? Answer: proton exchange membrane. The question is, which of these is not a benefit of hydrogen trains? Answer: no need for any maintenance. The question is, which global partnership area helps India scale hydrogen technology? Answer: electrolyzer manufacturing and technology exchange. The question is, which Indian organization funds pilot hydrogen projects and R&D? Answer: National Green Hydrogen Mission. The question is, what is the typical operating speed designed for some hydrogen trains in India? Answer: 75 to 120 km/h. The question is, which byproduct disposal is a concern for brown hydrogen? Answer: large CO2 emissions and toxic byproducts. The question is, which technology can reduce CO2 emissions from SMR-based hydrogen? Answer: carbon capture and storage. The question is, which Indian company is a major public sector player in hydrogen and gas infrastructure? Answer: GAIL. The question is, what is one reason battery electric trains may be chosen over hydrogen trains? Answer: simpler electrification where overhead lines exist. The question is, which country scaled back some hydrogen train plans due to fuel cell degradation? Answer: Germany. The question is, which fuel is hydrogen often compared to when discussing train decarbonization? Answer: diesel. The question is, what is a common method to produce green hydrogen? Answer: electrolysis powered by renewables. The question is, which Indian company is developing green ammonia alongside hydrogen projects? Answer: Acme Group. The question is, what is a likely use case for hydrogen trains in India beyond main lines? Answer: heritage and railways where electrification is hard. The question is, which of these is a safety measure for hydrogen storage? Answer: high pressure containment and ventilation. The question is, which Indian companies set targets for hydrogen and ammonia exports? Answer: Adani Group. The question is, what does a hydrogen refueling station for trains typically produce on-site? Answer: hydrogen via electrolysis or delivered compressed. The question is, which of these is a potential advantage of turquoise hydrogen? Answer: produces solid carbon instead of CO2. The question is, which sector could see job creation from hydrogen economy growth? Answer: renewable manufacturing, electrolyzers, logistics. The question is, which Indian company is known for large renewable energy capacity and hydrogen plants? Answer: Adani Green Energy. The question is, what is a common metric for train power output? Answer: kilowatts, kW. The question is, which of these is a reason hydrogen trains may be slower to scale? Answer: high initial capital costs and supply chain limits. The question is, which byproduct makes blue hydrogen less clean than green hydrogen? Answer: residual CO2 emissions despite capture. The question is, which Indian company operates the largest power utility and is active in hydrogen pilots? Answer: NTPC Limited. The question is, what is one environmental advantage of replacing diesel trains with hydrogen trains? Answer: reduced local air pollution and particulates. The question is, which process is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen? Answer: electrolysis. The question is, which hydrogen type is most associated with fossil fuel feedstocks without capture? Answer: grey. The question is, which Indian port region is targeted for hydrogen and ammonia projects for export? Answer: Tuticorin and Mundra. The question is, what is a typical daily production scale for a small hydrogen refueling plant mentioned in projects? Answer: 420 to 430 kg day. The question is, which of these is a global benefit of hydrogen trains? Answer: decarbonization of non-electrified rail corridors. The question is, which Indian initiative provides funding and targets for hydrogen growth? Answer: National Green Hydrogen Mission. The question is, which material challenge affects pipelines and storage for hydrogen? Answer: hydrogen embrittlement of metals. The question is, which of these is a potential export product from green hydrogen production? Answer: green ammonia. The question is, which company is known for electrolyzer and renewable integration projects in India? Answer: Renew Power. The question is, what is one reason hydrogen trains are attractive for eco-sensitive regions? Answer: zero local emissions and low noise. The question is, which of these is a common challenge for green hydrogen cost reduction? Answer: electrolyzer manufacturing scale and efficiency. The question is, which Indian company has announced gigascale hydrogen ambitions including electrolyzer factories? Answer: Reliance Industries. The question is, which of these is a likely first application for hydrogen in transport in India? Answer: buses and trains for pilot projects. The question is, which international collaboration helps India access hydrogen technology? Answer: MOUs with Germany and Japan. The question is, what is a common advantage of fuel cell trains over diesel in maintenance? Answer: fewer emissions and potentially lower engine maintenance. The question is, which hydrogen color is associated with the worst environmental impact? Answer: brown-black. The question is, which Indian company is a major oil refiner moving into hydrogen hubs? Answer: Indian Oil Corporation. The question is, what is one technical reason hydrogen fuel cells degrade over time? Answer: catalyst degradation and membrane wear. The question is, which of these is a policy goal tied to hydrogen trains? Answer: reduce rail emissions and dependence on fossil fuels. The question is, which storage challenge increases operational complexity for hydrogen trains? Answer: low volumetric energy density requiring high pressure or cryogenic storage. The question is, which Indian region hosted early hydrogen bus demonstrations? Answer: Leh, Ladakh. The question is, which of these is a potential industrial use for green hydrogen in India? Answer: steel making and fertilizer production. The question is, which renewabling process is essential to call hydrogen green? Answer: using renewable electricity for electrolysis. The question is, what is the likely long-term strategic benefit of scaling green hydrogen in India? Answer: energy independence, export potential, and industrial decarbonization.